Hey guys, we're here today in beautiful Destin, Florida. We're actually at a friend of mine's place. He just picked up this DuroMax XP11000IHT. And when you're living on the Gulf Coast, we all know that backup power isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. You have hurricanes rolling through here every season, and when the power goes out, you're gonna need something that's powerful, reliable, and ready for anything. So this one actually comes fully assembled. It just got here off the freight truck. It's packed up tight. It looks like it's in perfect condition. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it around back, take it out of the box, and show you how to get started.
Unboxing was easy. Cut the straps, open the box, and there it is.
So this thing is a massive beast, and DuroMax does a really good job of packing it properly. So we want to cut all four corners and have the box just lay open, because there's no way you're picking this thing and bringing it out of the box, right? So when you go to cut it, just make sure you're not hitting these reinforced corners. Cut it, that cardboard, like right on the side, and then you want to go straight down. All right, so once you get the bag off, you're gonna notice there's a toolkit right underneath. You're gonna wanna pull that out and set aside for later.
Inside, you get everything you need. The generator itself, tools, hoses for propane and natural gas, and even a remote start.
All right, now check this out. The XP11000IHT delivers 11,000 watts of ultra quiet, clean power, and it's less than 3% total harmonic distortion. So what that means is it's safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, TVs, Wi-Fi routers, all the stuff you actually use while riding out the storm. Plus, it's a true tri-fuel inverter, so you can run it on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. That fuel flexibility is a game changer when the gas stations run out after a hurricane.
First thing we did was connect the battery. To connect the battery, you'll need to find both quick connect cables. One side should be off to the right and the other is connected to the negative battery terminal. Just clip the cables together and your battery is good to go.
This unit comes with a cold, weather-ready
AGM battery,
so even if the temperature drops during the storm, it's still gonna fire up.
Next, we added oil, about 40 ounces of SAE 10W30. The funnel with a hose made it super easy to pour without spilling.
All right, now for the fun part. We're gonna start it up with gasoline.
We started with gasoline, filled the tank, then set the fuel switch to gasoline. Set the fuel dial to run. Made sure the breaker and low idle switch were off, and hit the push button start. It fired right up. Then we hooked it to propane. Quick connect to the hose, open the tank valve, set it to LPG, and hit start. Just as easy, just as smooth. Out here, that flexibility means you're never without power.
And even though we don't have natural gas lines here at this house, if you do, running it on natural gas is just as simple. Quick connect the hose, open the valve, set the switch to natural gas, hit start. Same button, same power. All right, so here's a feature I really like. This is the backup to the backup. This XP11000IHT comes with a recoil starter. If your battery's ever completely drained, you can still fire it up by hand. One firm pull on the cord and you're running. When you're in the middle of a storm, that's peace of mind that you can count on.
We also tried out the remote start. Hit the button twice in quick succession and you have power on demand without ever stepping outside.
And this thing is built for the whole house. With the 50-amp plug, you can tie it straight into your transfer switch and keep the lights, the AC, the fridge, even charge a power wall, all running at the same time. We put it to the test with the fridge, the AC, the lights, and the Wi-Fi, and it didn't even flinch.
When we wrapped up, we flipped the breaker off, let it cool for a few minutes, and shut it down. Couldn't be easier.
So yeah, here in a hurricane town like Destin, this is backup power redefined. Plus, it's backed by our 5-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. The DuroMax XP11000IHT doesn't just keep the lights on, it keeps life going.